Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ravi Aesthetic Video. So we'll take a new topic in pharmacology series is inhalation. So it is the part of parenteral route for drug delivery or route of drug administration in our body. So it's to be inhalation. So different kind of drug which is taken from nose for inhalation is to be inhalation route of drug administration. So what is that? So it's a general aesthetic like salbutamol. There is salbutamol. It's like anesthetic drug which will be taken from inhalation by nose. So it is like very useful for treatment over the nasal area. So what is the advantages? So almost in instantaneous absorption, they can easily absorb by nasal areas because of large surface of the lungs, because it is directly connected to our lungs, so they can easily goes to the lungs because the drug is directly diureted and the targeted tissue smaller dose is needed, because the lungs is permeable to or like directly attached to the capillaries who have been send the drug into the systemic circulation by heart, by pulmonary arteries or vein for the inhalation part. So what is the disadvantages? Irritation gases may enhance pulmonary secretions and should be avoided. So like it can cause sometimes irritation, nose irritation, or lung secretion can cause, or drug particles may induce cough, so they can cause cough over the time. Next is to be transdermal route. So drug is directly inserted into the transdermal route. So like increased lipid soluble drug can be applied over the skin and a slow prolonged absorption. So it is directly applied over the skin, like different kind of ointment or like cream over the skin, over the dermis. So like advantages: duration of action is prolonged, provide constant plasma drug levels, and patient compliance is good. It means patient is able to apply actively without the help of therapist, and the duration of the drug into the skin is to be prolonged of the time. And this is the advantage. What is the disadvantage? Large doses of the drug cannot be loaded into the system. It means the small amount of drug it to be induced over the skin and the surface, and can cause irritation of the skin. Sometimes can cause irritation or itching over the surface, or it is like expensive over that. Next is to be inhibition. Inhibition drug is rubbed into the skin and get it absorbed to produce systemic effect. Like the drug is applied over the skin, and the rub after the implementation of the drug, they can rub and it will be produce the systemic effect on the body. There is some important topic of pharmacology. First is therapeutics. What is the meaning of therapeutics? So deals with the use of drug in the prevention and treatment disease. So the drug which can use in the different kind of disease and its prevention, it is therapeutics. What is toxicology? It deals with the adverse effect of drug and also the study of poison. It means detection, detection and prevention of treatments of poisoning. So that is the meaning of toxicology, like detection of the poisoning, which kind of poison, like solid, liquid gas, what is the composition, like benzene or phenol, that kind of thing are including in their atom or molecule. So that is the toxicology. Next is pharmacovigilance. It means the science and activities related to detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect of any drug-related problem. It deals with the epidemiological study of adverse drug effect. It means we are studying different kinds of drugs, their assessment, their detection, or their prevention of adverse effect. So any drug-related issues we are studying in this method. So this is the pharmacovigilance. This is the meaning of pharmacovigilance. Next is to be chemotherapy. It is the use of chemical for the treatment of infections. The term now also include the use of chemical compound to treat malignancies. It means the treatment of cancer substance or like a tumor into the body by the help of medicine. So that is the chemotherapy. Next is to be pharmacy. What is the meaning of pharmacy? So it is the science of identification compound and dispensing of the drugs. It also includes collection, isolation, purification, synthesis, and standardization, and medicinal substances. The composition of medicine, was the natural like method to find it out, the medicine composition. Like there is to be how to collect different medicines, or like isolation of the medicine, purification of the medicine, and the synthesis of the medicine after they can product is get to be manufactured after the factories, and which different medicines have like different effect and analgesic effect into the body. So all of the things we are studying in pharmacy. So that is the pharmacy. Over the counter drug, that this is the drug is sold to the patient without the prescription. Like some drugs are we have taken without the prescription of the any doctors or like physicians. So some drugs are like paracetamol, dolo 650, and citrazines. This kind of drug we are taken by ourselves without the help of the therapist or like doctor. So that is the important topics in pharmacology. Thank you.